Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Swiss brown mushrooms offer an incredible depth of flavor that can truly transform your cooking. Their earthy, savory notes are far more intense than regular white button mushrooms, yet they remain incredibly versatile. You can easily incorporate them into a wide array of dishes, from simple scrambles to elaborate stews. Learning just a few basic techniques will help you bring out their best, making every bite a delightful experience. Get ready to explore the magic. When preparing your Swiss brown mushrooms, remember the golden rule: avoid rinsing them under running water. Mushrooms are like tiny sponges, and they'll quickly soak up moisture, leading to a steamed rather than seared texture. Instead, gently wipe them clean with a damp paper towel or a soft brush. Just trim any tough or dried-out ends from the stems, and then they're perfectly ready for slicing or quartering, depending on your recipe. Sautéing is arguably the best way to cook Swiss brown mushrooms, bringing out their inherent rich flavors and creating a delightful texture. Start with a hot pan and a generous amount of fat, whether it's olive oil, butter, or a combination. Add your mushrooms in a single layer, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. This allows them to brown beautifully instead of steaming, locking in that incredible savory taste. Cook them undisturbed for several minutes, until they develop a gorgeous golden crust. Roasting Swiss brown mushrooms offers another fantastic way to unlock their deep, earthy potential. It's incredibly hands-off and results in a wonderfully concentrated, almost meaty flavor. Simply toss your prepared mushrooms with a little olive oil, salt, and freshly ground black pepper on a baking sheet. Spread them in a single layer, ensuring they have room to breathe. Roast them in a hot oven, typically around 200 degrees Celsius, for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until deeply browned and tender. Once you've cooked your Swiss brown mushrooms to perfection, the possibilities are truly endless. Their rich, savory taste makes them an ideal complement to so many dishes. Stir them into a fluffy omelet for a delightful breakfast, or fold them into a comforting pasta dish for an easy dinner. They are also fantastic alongside roasted chicken or a perfectly seared steak. These humble mushrooms truly elevate everyday meals into something special, adding depth and nutrition with every bite. Enjoy exploring their amazing versatility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.